Welcome to Find the Fine, the channel for those who demand precision and durability in their drilling. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional metalworker, we've got you covered with the latest and greatest heavy-duty drill bits for stainless steel. Join us on a journey to uncover the finest bits that can handle the toughest jobs with ease. Let's find the fine together. If you want to buy any product, link is given in the description box. Number 1. NEIKO 101948 Titanium Step Drill Bit. Introducing the NEIKO 101948 Titanium Step Drill Bit, the ultimate tool for any DIY enthusiast or professional metalworker. Made with number 4241 high-speed alloy steel and coated with titanium nitride for added durability, this drill bit features a two-flute design that guarantees quick and long-lasting metal cutting. What's more, this versatile spiral drill bit can be used on various surfaces, including plastic, aluminum, copper, stainless steel, and more. Its 135-degree split point tip and two-fluted spiral design automatically deburr and expand holes for a cleaner drilling process, making it the perfect tool for drilling through steel, wood, and other thick metals. With 10 different sizes engraved on the bit itself, our multi-size drill bit ensures easy readability and can drill holes in the following sizes: 1/4, 3/8, 1/2, 5/8, 3/4, 7/8, 1 inch, 1 1/8, 1 1/4, and 1 3/8 inches. And the best part, you won't need to purchase multiple bits to get the job done. This heavy-duty drill bit can handle any project, large or small. Crafted with a tri-flatted shank, you can work confidently knowing that your drill bit is securely in place. Plus, the contrasted, laser-engraved sizes inside the step drill bit flute make it easy to identify which size you need. Experience the difference with NEIKO Titanium Step Drill Bit. Its titanium coating and two-flute design make for a cleaner, cooler, and faster drilling experience. You'll love how easy it is to make exact-sized holes in almost any surface with this high-quality and reliable tool. Get yours now and take on any project with confidence. Pros: chamfer between steps helps start the next step and gives beveled edge to the previous one. Can stop short of next size for in-between hole sizes. Can count the number of steps to reach the desired hole size. Cons: requires a pilot hole to prevent wandering across metal during drilling, according to user reports. Number 2. Hymnorq 12mm metric twist drill bit set of 2 pieces. Looking for a drill bit set that can handle tough jobs with ease? Check out the Hymnorq 12mm metric twist drill bit set. These high-quality bits are made from M35 Cobalt steel, which is known for its incredible hardness and heat resistance. With molybdenum and cobalt added to create a hardened alloy, these bits have a Rockwell hardness of up to 67, that's 12 times longer lifespan than an average HSS bit. Thanks to their 135 degrees quick-cut pilot split points, these bits are self-centering and can penetrate quickly with less pressure. They won't walk or wander, and their straight shank design allows for accurate centering and a firm hold. This set includes two 12mm diameter bits that meet German DIN 338 standards and come packaged in a plastic bag and flat paper box. Working length of this drill bits are 101mm. These bits are particularly effective for cutting through hard metals like stainless steel and cast iron with a hardness less than HRC 38 degrees, though they can also be used on softer materials like copper and aluminum. Keep in mind that they're not suitable for hardened steel or high-carbon steel, and you may need to adjust the RPM if they're having trouble penetrating. To help you get the most out of your drilling experience, we've included some helpful tips on drilling metals, including an RPM chart for common metals. It's important to use a cooling liquid during drilling to prevent the bit from overheating and melting. Both lubricant oil and water are suitable for this purpose. If you're drilling thick metals, a drill press is highly recommended for stability and power. If you don't have access to a drill press, an electric or charging drill can work, but it may be more challenging unless you have experience. Upgrade your drilling game with the Hymnorq 12mm metric twist drill bit set, the perfect tool for your toughest jobs. Pros: well made and sharp, can easily drill through 316 stainless steel. Accurately sized metric drill bits. Powerful when drilling through iron and steel. Cons. The titanium coating can make the bit spin in the chuck. Number 3. Klein Tools 31852 Heavy Duty Hole Cutter. Looking for a reliable and durable hole cutter that can easily slice through tough materials like stainless steel, mild steel, iron, copper, and brass? Look no further than the Klein Tools 31852 Heavy Duty Hole Cutter. Crafted with long-lasting carbide material, this heavy-duty hole cutter is designed to withstand even the toughest of jobs, ensuring that you get the most out of your investment. With the ability to make quick and precise cuts, this Klein Tools is perfect for cutting through sheet metal up to 3/16 inch thick, giving you a clean and polished finish every time. And thanks to its split-point pilot drill bit, you can be sure that the bit won't walk during use, giving you even greater precision. But that's not all. The Klein Tools also features an integrated flange that prevents the operator from drilling beyond the sheet metal, ensuring that you get the perfect cut every time. And with conduit and pipe sizes of up to 1/2 inch, this hole cutter is perfect for a wide range of applications. So what are you waiting for? Upgrade your toolkit with the Klein Tools 31852 Heavy Duty Hole Cutter and experience the power and precision you need to get the job done right. Pros. Durable carbide material. Quick and precise cuts in tough materials. Split-point pilot drill bit prevents bit walking. Integrated flange ensures perfect cuts. Cons. Relatively expensive. Limited to cutting sheet metal up to 3/16 thick. Number 4. NIKKO 1023-5B 13/16 inch drill bit for metal. This drill bit is designed for use in a variety of materials, including metals, wood, plastics, and composite materials. The 13/16 inch size and 1/2 shank make it a versatile tool for many different applications. One of the key features of the NIKKO 1023-5B is its HSS, or high-speed steel material. This material is known for its sharpness, durability, and resistance to wear. With this drill bit, you can expect fast and efficient execution in any material, resulting in clean and precise results. The 135° split-point drill tip is another important aspect of the NIKKO. This design feature increases cutting speed and self-centers with no pilot hole, preventing walking and ensuring precise, accurate drilling. This can be particularly useful when drilling in harder materials, such as metal or composite materials. The silver and Deming design of the NIKKO allows for greater visibility during use. This can be especially helpful when working in darker or harder to reach areas. Additionally, this drill bit is compatible with a wide range of drills and can be used in both handheld and stationary applications. Overall, the NIKKO 13/16 inch drill bit for metal is a high-quality, versatile tool that can be used for a variety of applications. Its sharpness, durability, and precision make it a great addition to any toolbox or workshop. Pros. Accurately drills 13/16 inch hole with clean edges and no burrs in stainless steel. Well made and comes in plastic tube for protection. 1/2 inch reduced shank allows for easy drilling with hand drill. Cons. 0.5% of people complained that it's broke. Number 5. BEILI Tools HSS M35 Cobalt Twist Drill Bits. Introducing BEILI Tools HSS M35 Cobalt Twist Drill Bits, the ultimate solution for drilling in hard steel. This pack of 5 9.5 mm, or 3/8 inch bits delivers outstanding efficiency and performance, thanks to their specially designed thick web helix that enables fast material removal and increased durability. Each bit is manufactured to exacting specifications, featuring a split point that eliminates the need for a center punch and starts on contact with no walking or skating. With their 5% cobalt material and high-speed steel Cobalt M35 cobalt steel construction, these bits can drill through even the toughest metals with ease, including heavy-duty abrasive alloy metal drilling on hardened steel. Measuring at 3.19 inches in flute length and 4.92 inches in total length, these bits come packaged in a convenient plastic box. These drill bits are perfect for drilling into automobile leaf spring steel plate, with a recommended drilling speed of 450 revolutions per minute and a feed rate of 4 mm per revolution. With a drilling depth of 10 mm and 2 holes per plate, you can reduce your processing cost per hole and get the job done quickly and efficiently. Don't settle for subpar drill bits. Upgrade to BEILI Tools HSS M35 Cobalt twist drill bits today. Pros: straight drill bits that can be easily sharpened with a sharpener. Ideal for drilling steel plate and aluminum with the use of cutting oil. Cons: need to be used slowly to prevent breakage. Could benefit from a version that can handle higher speeds.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found the video helpful, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon and give your opinion in comment section. If you want to buy this products, link is given in video description box. Thanks again.